Talking about manifestation, talking about energies, talking about desire, and again loaded with high octane commitments, work pressure, the same monotonous lifestyle. So nothing is aligned, and until aligned, they won't work. They won't work because it's all about a path. Just like Google Map, you know that you this is your destination, so you can't take an opposite path. Similarly, when we talk about manifestation, when we talk about energies, they have to be aligned. When we talk about desires, when we talk about a lifestyle that we are living, which has a very conditioned approach, which has its own share of doubts, fears, inhibitions, a very programmed living, and we are not able to, break through that ceiling, break through that habit. So that's where we get stuck up and we start, playing the blame game that the law of manifestation doesn't work. It does work. आप मानेंगे नहीं मानेंगे, मैं एक लिविंग एग्जाम्पल अपनी खुद के जीवन में खुद सबसे पहले खुद को इंस्पायर करती हूँ, क्योंकि मेरी ये जो लर्निंग है, प्रभु की इतनी अपार महिमा, इतनी अपार कृपा थी कि 1995 until today, as I talk to you here, while bidding goodbye to 2024 and as we all are gearing up to welcome 2025, way back then 1995 and this 2024, fragrances have helped me be rooted. कहते अगर जड़ मजबूत है ना, तो कितनी भी कठिनाइयाँ आ जाए, कितना भी भूचाल भूकंप आ जाए, टस से मस नहीं होते हम. और ये ट्रुथ है. When I desire or when I go through a challenging phase, in both situation and circumstance, I rise above. When I desire, when I set target professionally, personally, or during a situational phase where things are very difficult, challenging, in both circumstances, I rise above. And trust me, wearing fragrances especially oils like patchouli, yang yang, bergamot, chamomile, sandalwood, they have worked miraculously. कहते हैं कि चमत्कार तभी होता है जब आप उस पर विश्वास करते हो. ये फ्रेग्रेंसेस अ क्रूड प्लांट एक्सट्रैक्ट, एंड हम सब हर सांस के लिए इसी प्लांट ऊर्जा पे डिपेंडेंट है. और इन्हीं प्लांट का एक्सट्रैक्ट fragrances in the form of therapeutic energy, it vibrates such a strong enigmatic force that it just helps me like my bestie. It does work. When I go through a challenging phase, I know fragrances are something I would instantly wear. They guard me. They help me. They keep me so full of smile, so full of positivity, so full of life living for my own being. It's like my first love, my first crush is my own being. And that's how I am able to give my 100% to every endeavor, every association, every connects, both professionally, personally, parallel to challenges, to difficult situations that we all, go through in the daily walks and talks of life. आपको लग रहा होगा कि कोई फ्रेग्रेंसेस कैसे और इतना कैसे हो सकता है। आप जुड़िए मेरे साथ, AB से लेकर YZ, खुशबू की इस प्राकृतिक दुनिया, महासागर, एबियस ऑफ miracles, benefits, power, everything becoming possible is possible when you understand fragrances with me. Allow me to take you one step at a time as I'm going to share my story, my journey in the world of aromatherapy and how it has helped me from the top to the choices that I make. Even today, when I live a passive life, it's a choice. You know what? Such maniye, it's all choice. It's all about choice. Even the passive phase, even the challenging phase, and how to deal with it. To be proactive or to be reactive, it's all about choices. So, from the highs to the phase where I am now, it's all about the choices I've made. I have chosen to prioritize what I want to prioritize, and that's how the person I look for, koi nahi, fragrances. Fragrances are my bestie and they have helped me from my appearance to the mental health to my spiritual being to warding off all the negative energies.